Guess who's back? Yeah. That's the kind of cheering I should be getting all the time. Yeah, shut up. Hey, Marty, can I get a... Oh, you know me so well. Right there. Thanks, man. Uh, it's good to be back home. Hmm. Oh, these seats are awful. But man, do I not care. Hmm. This place never changes. The fresh smell of food, the shining light from the windows, and then the people that come to this place for a nice, safe atmosphere. Uh, hmm. Oh, and what do we have here? Hmm. Well, now. He doesn't seem all that nice now, does he? Who's he talking to? Is that a rabbit? Hmm. Guy's pretty self-assured to be talking like that to her. Hmm. Is he... Alright, nope. I've heard just about enough out of him to last me a lifetime. Hey, buddy. Oh, you don't know me? Well, that's rare in this part of town. Name's Lupine. My friends call me Lou. Oh, I just happened to come back from a long week of work and decided to head over to my favorite diner in town to have a nice breakfast and see if any of my friends are around. And when I come in, oh, what do I see? Some scared little bunny getting cornered by some nasty creature. Oh, touch a nerve, did I? Oh, please, you're in a public diner. If you were looking for privacy, you would have done this kind of talk at home. Speaking of talk, quite bold of you to be bragging about other women you've been hanging out with to what I can only assume is your girlfriend. Well, ex-girlfriend, I would assume. Well, if you've gotten so much better... Well, if you've got so much better women, then why not go be with them instead of forcing this girl to have to be with you? Fight you? Oh no, I could never fight you. Well, a fight would imply some level of equal footing between us, and well, I don't need to look at you for long to see you crack from one punch. Ah. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Well, you see, this place is a nice, safe place for people to come in and have a nice meal without worrying about the dangers outside these walls, and I'm not the only one who's noticed the little commotion you were making over here. Well, when one person stands up to someone bad, it inspires others to as well. It also helps if those people actually like you. So, how about you walk out of here, nice and peacefully, before you never get to walk again? Okay? Okay. Bye-bye now. Hmm. So, how are you, little bunny? That's great. This place is well known for its accommodations towards all kinds of shifters. So I don't think anyone here was happy with how he was treating you, little bunny. Hmm? Little bunny? Well, you kinda gave off a shy and timid look. And you're a rabbit shifter, right? Well, then we're all good then. Oh, well, hi. You already heard my name, but I'll say it again. I'm Lupine. Friends call me Lou. Yes, the flower. Ah, oh, that's a lovely name. Yes, I'm something of a town celebrity. I know a lot of the people around here, and a lot of the. Yes, I'm something of a town celebrity. I know a lot of the people around here, and a lot of them know me, or at least heard of me. Honestly, wasn't expecting him to stand up to me. Most people tend to not want to pick a fight, though I guess that's because you're both newer to this part of town, aren't you? Hmm. So, what's with that guy anyway? You mean ex boyfriend, right? What do I mean? We all heard what he said. Um, did you not hear the way he was talking to you? If I talked like that to my girlfriend, I'd get slapped by everyone I know. I hate to break it to you, but even if you wanted him after what just happened, I doubt he wants to be with you anymore. Yeah, that's honestly my fault. I'm sorry, but, honestly, I don't regret breaking up that kind of relationship. Because he was literal garbage. Oh no, don't defend him. He was bragging about practically cheating on you, basically, and how he could do so much better and was just gaslighting you. You confronted him about it, and that was his response. Listen, girl, I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but dating that guy was a really bad choice in terms of picking a partner for life. Hmm? Uh, Here, let me make it up to you. I'll I'll pay for your meal and maybe we can have a chat and cheer you up, maybe. Well, regardless of how I feel towards my actions, I did just end your relationship when you didn't want it to, and that just it's a really uncool move on my part. The least I can do is pay for your meal and try to make you feel better. Well, alright then. Hey, Marty. Yeah, I'm over here now. Oh, you'll be fine. I moved like 10 feet. Yeah, yeah, I'm a pain in your butt. Whatever. So, what are you having? Hmm, it's the one with carrots, isn't it? I knew it. Oh, no, no, it's fine. You don't need to be embarrassed. Yeah, it's a stereotype that rabbit shifters like eating carrots. But anyone who cares about that stuff should mind their own business, honestly. But I don't want to look away. Well, then I wouldn't get to find joy in your embarrassed red cheeks. Sorry, sorry. I'm supposed to be making you feel better, not tease you over your food. It's just in my nature to be playful. Hmm. Well, you got an interesting job at the moment? A runner? That's like mailman, but for the covens, right? Well, that's pretty interesting. Working with vampires. No, no, really. Not many runners nowadays. Pretty cool that I ran into one here of all places. Hmm? Me? Oh, I'm a hunter. For the Mostra coven. I mean, I'm not supposed to tell anyone, but there's no rules against it. And to be honest, I don't really care. No one wants to mess with a hunter, so if anything, it deters people from trying to do stuff to me. Besides, it isn't like I'm one of their special agents. I just help them find things. No too serious, most of the time. They're a big info broker group. They have me usually looking into people or magical equipment. Usually ends up with me finding the thing and then telling them about it so they can go get it. It pays well, and I do get a bit of action in from time to time. Actually, I just got back from one mission that I've been on for about 2 weeks now. Oh, yeah, very action packed. Nearly had to go to a healer, it was so bad. Oh, I'm fine. Honestly, I'm getting into trouble all the time, so this isn't even in my top 5, honestly. You're right, it probably is okay, but I'm here, and I'm fine. So, in my opinion, it's all good. You ever had any dangerous and daring moments on a run? Oh, really? A bear shifter? Whoa. Okay, keep going. And then he came running out, his hair full of bugs, and screaming from some old witch telling him to get off her porch. Yeah, dude went straight for that frog swamp I told him to check out. Luckily, the frog sorted him out. Paid that witch 20 bucks for that beauty of a scene. Not all care about money, but this one was more than happy to take some off my hands and just gave me the book we were looking for. I think he's I think he's moved on to the Luna Coven nowadays. Yeah, he's a big shot from what I hear. But to me, he'll always be that kid who got pranked by some old woman in a bug trap. You know, it's nice hearing you laugh. No, I mean it. You have a wonderful laugh, and I'm happy I got to hear it today. Oh, and there we go with the covering face and red cheeks. Sorry, sorry. I was only partly trying to embarrass you again. Well, the other part was that I was genuinely giving you a compliment. And she burrows deeper to hide away, now doesn't she? What? I think making bunny jokes are a little appropriate, don't you? Hmm. Duh, finally. Thank you, Marty. Oh, Tart? No, she's just embarrassed from kindness. Hey, I wasn't that bad. I teased only a little bit, alright? Oh, you already know I could have been way worse. I didn't even make any wolf on rabbit jokes. Yeah, now that might have broken the poor girl. Oh, trust me, you don't want that. At least not yet, anyways. Oh, who knows what I mean by that? It could be anything. Don't you have other customers, Marty? Yeah, that's what I thought. Get out of our booth and tend to some customers. Ugh, I do love that guy. Hmm? You want an explanation that badly? Hmm. Well then, that depends on what you want from here on. Well, what I mean is, what do you want from this moment? A fun and fateful encounter with a stranger? Or with a potentially new friend? Oh, of course. I got lots of friends. I wouldn't mind having another. Especially one as interesting, funny, and downright adorable as you. And there she goes again. You are really easy to fluster, aren't you? You are too. You are literally hiding your bright red face in carrots right now. I'm gonna be honest, it's the most adorable thing I've seen in my entire life. Well, you can think about it while I eat, because I am starving. Finished? How was it? Well, I'm sure Marty's happy to hear that. So, what's your plan? After this? Right. Guess I hadn't thought of whether or not you lived with them. Huh. Well, you probably can't stay there anymore, huh? Huh. You got any friends or family you could stay with? None here? Well, if you want, you could stay at my place so you can get one for yourself. Sure, I got plenty of space. And I'm not home too often due to work, so you won't have to worry too much about me bothering you. And besides, I was the one who stepped in and did this. And I should be the guy to help you out, right? Yeah, we can be roommates for a while. If you need to move your stuff quick, I know a couple of guys who could help you out. Like I said, I know plenty of people. Nope, it is no issue on my part. Amazing. When do you want to get your stuff? He works around that time, I assume? Oh, well, perfect. While we wait for him to head off, you want to check out my place? Maybe get an idea of where you want to put your stuff? Awesome. No, no, don't mention it. It'll be fun having a roommate. I haven't had one since I left my parents' house. No problem.